This right here is one of my favorite cars. It's an easy car to drive. It's not heavy. It's a real small car. Give it gas right out of the turn. You're taking off. Loving it. The car is a really tight drive. I mean, you turn it and it really is gripping the road. It's really responsive. The inside of this car is really clean. They've done a really great job restoring it. A wood steering wheel. It's a nice feel to it. I like the color on it too. There's a lot of black and white ones out there. This is green, tan. Looks like a forest green and tan. Oh wow, it shifts so easy. It's literally like, it's like shifting butter. And the sound, you can just hear it when you press the gas. It's like a high rumble, it's just ready to go. You feel it from the back, and I actually feel the seat is rumbling every time I press the gas. I'm going right now, it says 60 miles an hour. It's like it's nothing. I feel like this is a car you could get a ticket in. It just drives so fast. This thing is so much fun.